complete coverage of your neighborhood, the nation, and the world. This is News 8 at 11.
Plus, a controversial new book tells kids what they need to know before mom goes in for a nip and tuck. What local doctors think of the book.
A new book on plastic surgery goes on sale in a few weeks. My Beautiful Mommy is for children. It was written by a Florida cosmetic surgeon, and it talks about what he feels kids need to know before mommy goes in for a nip and tuck. Local doctors give the book mixed reviews. It doesn't go on sale until Mother's Day, but already people are talking about this book, My Beautiful Mommy.
The premise is great because it's a question we get asked a lot. You know, what am I going to tell the kids? I don't know what to tell my girls, or I don't know what to tell my boys, especially with breast augmentations. They'll go.
La Jolla plastic surgeons Dr. Lori Saltz and Dr. Joseph Greskovich got a sneak peek at the book, which is sort of a plastic surgery primer for young children.
I think it's cute. It's, you know, I can see where there can be room for opinions on either side of the fence.
Well, Florida plastic surgeon Michael Salzhauer knows what to tell parents. He wrote My Beautiful Mommy specifically for his patients with children.
It's a way to explain to their kids the process that mommy is going to be going through, namely a tummy tuck, maybe a breast lift, maybe a rhinoplasty as well.
The story is about a little girl whose mom is about to have several cosmetic procedures.
It's written in a very whimsical, kind of lighthearted, humorous style. It's illustrated like a Disney book, very magical and idealized.
Later in the story, the mother magically recovers from her nose job and tummy tuck. 48 hours after surgery, she's in the kitchen. No bruising, no swelling, and pain-free.
You know, you walk a fine line between not wanting to scare them, but on the other hand, they should be prepared. You know, maybe he could have drawn a little bit of bruising.
Dr. Salzhauer says he didn't want the book to be too graphic, but he knows firsthand what happens if you don't prepare a child for what happens after a cosmetic procedure.
When I came home and had black eyes and the splint, she started to cry and had this look of terror in her eyes that I'll never forget as long as I live.
The book has been criticized, but Dr. Salzhauer defends the book because so many mothers are getting plastic surgery. Dr. Greskovich adds,
maybe elaborate on things like, you know, that I may have this kind of bruising or swelling, or I'm not going to look exactly like this in the picture, or what have you. You know, then you're doing your child a disservice.
The American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery says Americans spent more than $13 billion on cosmetic procedures last year. My Beautiful Mommy will be sold online and in doctors' offices. If you'd like more information on the book, just go to CBS8.com and click on the Hot button.
Volunteers.